Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. My name is Emma. I am your teacher.
And hi, I am Leo. I am a student. I am learning English.
Today, we will learn about hotel housekeeping.
Hotel housekeeping. What is that, Emma?
Good question, Leo. Housekeeping is the team that cleans your hotel room. They give you clean towels and a clean bed.
Oh, I like a clean room.
Me too. Today, we will practice how to talk to housekeeping. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's go.
Section 1. Asking for towels. Imagine you are in your hotel room. You need a towel. A towel is for drying your body after a shower.
Towel. Towel. Towel.
Great. You call the front desk. You say, "Hello, can I have more towels, please?" "Hello, can I have more towels, please?" Perfect. Let's try again. Listen and repeat, Leo. Can I have more towels? Can I have more towels? Very good. Listeners, you try. Say it with Leo. Can I have more towels? Excellent. Use the word please to be kind. Can I have more towels, please? Can I have more towels, please? Section 2. Cleaning the room. Now, maybe your room is dirty. You want someone to clean it. You say, "Can you clean my room, please?"
Can you clean my room, please?
Yes. Or if the housekeeper knocks on your door, they say, "Housekeeping, may I clean your room?"
What do I say if I am sleeping? I don't want them to come in.
Good point. You can say, "Not now, thank you." Or, "Come back later, please."
Come back later, please.
Yes, later means not now. Maybe in 1 hour.
Come back later, please. I am tired.
Exactly. Section 3. Missing items, soap and water. Sometimes we need things. We need soap, or we need toilet paper.
Soap. SOAP. Soap.
Yes, and toilet paper. Repeat after me. I need more soap.
I need more soap.
I need more toilet paper.
I need more toilet paper.
Good. What if you need water? Can I have some water, please? Yes, you are a natural, Leo. Section 4. Practice moment. Okay, Leo, let's practice a real conversation. I am the housekeeper. You are the guest. Housekeeping, can I clean your room?
Oh, hello. Yes, please. Can you clean my room?
Of course. Do you need anything else?
Yes, I need 2 towels and some soap, please.
No problem. I will bring them now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. That was perfect, Leo. You used please and thank you.
It is easy when we use short sentences.
Section 5. Review. Let's review our words for today.
I will say the word and you say what it is, Emma. Number 1, towel.
Use this to dry your body.
Number 2,
Clean. To make the room nice and tidy.
Number 3,
Later. Not now. Maybe in the afternoon.
Number 4, please and thank you.
The most important words in English. Thank you for listening today. Practice these sentences in your hotel.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.